Alright, let's do a freaking bike check, bruh. We've got ODI long necks, fly bar ends. They're really great, actually. They last pretty long. So do these ODIs, but if you guys can see it, yeah, right here. Yeah, these ODIs are wearing down really fast for me. I don't know if that's just me. We have, stock fit bars, 7.7 rise and 26.7 width. They're really hard to ride with because I'm a pretty tall guy, so riding with those small bars is hard. But I am getting Verde Cartel 2 bars, hopefully, for Christmas. A fit stem. I inverted it. It didn't really make my bars that much higher, so I thought it would. But this is what it'd look like regular. Yeah. I got a nice top cap. Man, can you guys see it? Yeah, it's a pretty good top cap. I like it. We've got FSA headset. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Stock forks, kind of contact tire, 2.25. It's not fat. It will last, but you really need to change it fast. Sealed front wheel, well, front hub. Stock spokes, whatever came with this. I had them tightened. Yeah, pretty tight. Black Sheep rim. Alienation, great. It's a really good. Got an eraser cap, or eraser pencil thing for the thing. Alright. Oh, it's a fit. I think PRK or TRL. It says it right here on the bottom. So yeah, stolen thermite pedals. Won't buy nothing else. Best ones. Allen key right here, so you can tighten it. Premium cranks. I bought these, and I got this sprocket both for $75, shipped from Vital BMX. A guy on there. These are like premium. They're really old, he said, but I don't care if they're 48 spline, they're strong. Sprocket bolt's still nice. I switched out the sprocket bolt thing last night because I was scared of that thing actually like just breaking on me. Good sprocket. 23T. KMC drop buster chain, stock bottom bracket, salt seat clamp. Stolen Thermalite seat post with the stolen Thermalite seat and a bolt in there. I think it's hollow. Back here we have got a Colt sticker on the hub, but we've got a stock back wheel and Alienation Black Sheep rim with the Fit FAF. Let's see, where's the Fit Geico? Sign. Well, it says, it's hard to see because it's all black. But, yeah, these tires are pretty good. Yeah, my rim's a little scratched up, bent in a bit. It's alright. I'm getting an M1SM and a Duo Stunner. Not the low, just regular. And another eraser cap. And then you guys always want to hear a hub sound, so here's a lame hub sound, I guess. It's not loud, so yeah, that is my bike check.